First Standard EVS Chapter 9 Means of Transport. Hi students, welcome to the EVS class. If you like to go from one place to another place that is near to your house means, how will you go? You can go by walk or run. Okay. If you like to go your granny's house that is far away from your house, now how will you go, kids? You can use scooter, car, bus, etc. Okay. We can use these types of vehicles for longer distance. So today we are going to learn about transport. Okay, kids? To transport is to carry people and things from one place to another place. Okay? To transport is to carry people and things from one place to another place. When we have to go to a place which is not very far, we usually walk or run. Okay? When we have to cover longer distance, we use scooter, car, bus, etc. Okay? When we need to carry heavy things, we need some means of transport. Different vehicles help us in transporting people and things. They are known as means of transport. Do you know, kids? Long ago, there were no vehicles. People used to walk from one place to another place. Okay? Long ago, there were no vehicles. They pulled or carried loads on their own. Sometimes they also used sledge to carry goods. Goods means things. Later, people used animals to carry them and things from one place to another place. Okay? Later, boats and ships were used to carry people and things to far away places. The invention of the wheel brought a big change in the system of transport. Then, wheels were used in carts pulled by animals. Wheels made movement easy. They came to be used in all types of vehicles. So, wheels made traveling faster. Okay? Transport has helped in the development of agriculture. It would not have been possible to use modern techniques of agriculture, improved quality of seeds and fertilizers, etc., but for good transport facilities. Okay, kids, now we are going to see means of transport. Okay, there are three main means of transport. Okay, kids, the first one is land transport. The first one is land transport. The second one is water transport. And the third one is air transport. Okay, so there are three main means of transport. The first one is land transport, second one is water transport, and the third one is air transport. Means a way of doing something. Okay, now tell me kids, what is transport? Transport is to carry people and things from one place to another place. Okay, now answer the question. How many kinds of transport? What are they? Tell me kids. There are three main kinds of transport. They are land transport, water transport, and air transport. Okay, there are three main kinds of transport. They are land transport, water transport, and air transport. So, today we have learnt transport and kinds of transport. We will meet in next class. Stay happy and stay healthy. Bye bye kids.